how to change your Google Home password step by step. Very first thing that you need to do is get into your home.google.com, or you can directly go to your Google's manage account password, where you'll need to change your Google's password in order to change your Google Home password, because they both basically use the same exact Google account, right? So in here you can either get into your home.google.com, and when you tap on the menu bar right here, you'll actually be able to see the option of go to Google Home for Web. And when you do that, you'll actually be able to get into your account, where you can actually tap on manage your Google account. And then from here, what you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find security and sign in. When you do that, you'll actually be able to see the option of password. Tap on password, and then from there you'll actually need to verify yourself, I think, or else you'll actually, like I said, you'll need to verify yourself. If you have used some passkey, you can do that, or you can write down the password of your account in order to verify it. And then from there you can now enter your new password, and then you'll need to confirm your new password, so rewrite that one, and then all you need to do is tap on change password. Just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your Google Home password.